So now come to exercise 2, question number 23, phase 6, definite integration. So question is, if u10 is equal to this, that means power 10 is there, it is 10, power 8 is there, it will be 8. So 0 to pi by 2 x 10 sin x dx. Now see, in this we have to reduce the power of x. What we have to do? Reduce the power of x. So I will consider this as first function, this different second function. Because first function we have to differentiate. So when I differentiate first function, its power will keep on decreasing. So first function integration of sin x is minus cos x 0 to pi by 2 minus integration differentiation 10x raised to power 9 into minus plus cos x 0 to pi by 2. So this will be how much? Cos pi by 2 is 0 and 0, this is 0. So 0 plus 10 x 9 cos x dx. So again take this as first, this as second. For 10 into 9, 90 will come. So this will be 10 first function integration of cos x is sin x 0 to pi by 2 minus integration differentiation 9 x raised to power 8 and this is sin x 0 to pi by. So when you put, this will be 10 pi raised to power 9 upon 2 raised to power 9 minus 0 minus 90 0 to pi by 2 x 8 sin x dx. This is u8. So u10 plus 90 u8 will be equal to, so this form 10 into pi upon 2 raised to power 9. This is the answer. 10 into pi upon 2 raised to power 9. That means C option will be correct. So thank you.